Hi guys, we are about to go out and I wanted to finally make a video about how I finish off a short RBC. Okay, so this was wrapped under the tail. To have it wrapped under the tail, you're going to want the top rail on the second pass to be on the outside. See, this old bottom rail is on the outside and new top rail is on the outside. Okay, so here's how you finish this off. So first of all, I always find I need to really tighten up this bottom rail again. So I pull it out to the side until it's really tight, or the seat is not very good. And then I tighten this strand by strand and I pull it through. And this is the step I don't show super well. By the way, this is actually a half knot at this point, so it holds, which is why I let go. This step is important. I pull down and tighten this up until this tail on my shoulder is tight. And then, so that the knot winds up in the right place, I actually tie right in the middle, like right by the chest pass, because it's going to travel more when I tighten later. And I'm going to do a clove hitch. Don't lean off, Missy. Okay, so that's a clove hitch, and I'm going to hole wrap tighten through this. Okay, and I know people have trouble spreading this, so as you can see, right now this is not spread at all. So I'll show you my trick for spreading it recently. First of all, I gather up about, so first of all, to spread this properly, this rail needs to be tight, like for real. Like it should feel tight, no slack. So now I'm going to gather up about maybe a third of the wrap near the top rail. I'm going to pull down on the shoulder and take, again, a third of the wrap. I'm pulling down so there's slack, and I'm kind of folding it over. I'm not even spreading it, I'm just taking like a third of it benched and folding it on top. Okay, that's really just got folded. And for the other side, I pull it up, I kind of tuck it over, I just like tuck it over here. I find the bottom rail in here while holding it here, and I pull it down. And there we go, that's spread in like 3 motions. We are making a tutorial. That's spread in like 3 motions, and I also wound up with quite a lot of wrap bunched on here, which I actually find quite comfy, and I pull even more usually there. And the last step is I'm going to need to do a bit more whole wrap tightening, so I'm going to bounce and tighten the whole knot. And I sometimes wind up needing to strand by strand tighten this a bit through the knot, but not always. And as you can see, my knot wound up in just the right place, even though I tied it through in the center, because I did quite a bit of whole wrap tightening. If one of your shoulders is tighter than the other and the knot's not getting in the way, you can redistribute like this. So now this shoulder is looser. Now this shoulder is looser, and that distributes the weight of the carry between the shoulders. All right. Becky, you want to say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.